Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your HDFC Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type in HDFC Bank login. And as the search result, you can see the result here. Click on the first one, which is the website of HDFC Bank. It will redirect you to the official website of HDFC Bank. And in this interface, you can see here login button. Click on it and over here choose net banking. It will redirect you to this login portal. Over here enter your customer ID or your user ID of the bank. In case if you forgot your customer ID, click here forgot customer ID to reset it and click on continue. And you will be redirected to the password section. And from there, enter your password and click on login. You will be logged into your HDFC Bank account. So this is how you can log in into your HDFC Bank account. This was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.